Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Magical Math Morning Sessions. And in today's session, like every day, early morning, what we learn at 7 o'clock, the short tricks for mathematics, we are going to learn how to multiply or divide any number by short 75. Because this entire week we are learning the division shortcuts. So we'll go to learn how to divide a number by 75. Before that, we are going to quickly learn how to multiply also because both are interrelated. And I promise that if you practice really well, you'll be able to complete within 2 to 4 seconds. This is that quick and that simple. Okay, let's take this. First, let's learn how to multiply by 75. Okay, let's recap what you have learned how to multiply any number by 25. How did you do earlier? Just 1 second. I think this is. Yeah. Multiply by 75. Earlier, you people have learned how to multiply by 25, correct? What we used to do, for example, 24 into 25, what we did? 24 into, we did 100 by 4, or 24 by 4 we did, that is 6 into 100 is 600. First we used to divide this one by 4, half 12, again half 6 into 100, because 25 is nothing but 4 ones are 4 25s are 100 by 4. Multiplying by 100, what we did, for example, we wanted to do 48 into 50, we want to do, means what we did, 48 by 2 we did, then we multiplied by 100, correct? 24 100. The same trick we are going to extend here. Yes, 100 by 4 or 100 by 2. Suppose let's take a simple number into 75. 75 can be written as what? 24 into 3 by 4 we can multiply, and then whatever we get you can do by 100. Correct, no? 24 by 4 is 6. 6 3 is 18. 100. This is the answer, 24 into 75. Instead of doing with 75 fours are something and then 75 twos are, comparing that, 24 is an easier number, but still this method you are going to save a lot of time. Whatever number they give, you divide by 4 first, then multiply by 3, or multiply by 3 and divide by 4, whichever is easier you can do, and then whatever you get, put 2 zeros in front of it. Let's take 68 into 75. What we do? Divide by 4 is 17. 17 threes are 51. 100 is the answer. Isn't it simple? Yes. Especially the numbers which we are divisible by 4, for them it will be very, very easy. Or else what we do? First we multiply by 3 and then we divide by 4. If it is a simple number. For example, you want to multiply 7.5 into 1800 will take. How we can write this? It is nothing but 75 into 180. Correct, no? Point will remove, 10 will go. We just visualize this one in our mind, and then 75 into 180 means what? 180 by 4. Half is 90, half is 45. 45 threes are 135. So we'll take 13500. This is the answer. Maybe maximum it will take is 3 to 4 seconds if you do step by step. Correct? Let's do some numbers. For example, even if you want to go with some decimal numbers, for example, you want to go with 2.4 into 7.5. What we did? We take this one, rewrite it as 0.24 into 75. We consider this one in the form of 75. Easy. 0.24 by 4 is 0.06 into 3. 0.18 into 100 is what? 18. Isn't very simple? Let's take some numbers and try to put the answers in the chat. I'll give you some numbers. Maybe you can try multiplying 48 into 75. Easier one. Calculate and put the answer in the chat. Yes. Just calculate 48 into 75 and then put it in the chat. Yes. Correct. Very simple. Yes. It is 3600. Divide by 4. 24, 12, half, half. In that way, I always try to train my mind so that it will become very easy. 12 3 is 36, 100 we'll write directly. Correct, no? Let's take something like 930 into 75. This one is relatively difficult because this number is not divisible by 4. So what we do? Either you multiply first by 4 and then divide by multiply by 3 and then by 100, or else in such cases what I take directly 93000. It is easy to divide this one by 4 now, correct? No, into 3 by 4 I will do. So it will come, divide by 4 means 23250, correct? No, sorry, we'll take, divide by 4 means half and half you can do. Someone already given the answer, 23250. By again half means we'll take 11625. Into 3 we'll do, we'll get this one. But I think answer what you people got is not correct. Correct? Cross check once. 10 you people forgot to multiplication, everything is clear, but what you did was 10 you 6975, because 0 is what you get when you do by this, and isn't it, we get, no, I think this is correct. 69750 is correct, not 0. I did the I over calculated that one. Perfect. That is 69750. With this basics, let's go for dividing with 75. Can you guess how we can do this? Instead of multiplying by 3 by 4, dividing by means what? Any number. Let's take one simple number, 180 divided by 75. So what we can do? 180 divided by 3 by 4 into 100 we'll do. Correct? No, 3 by 4th of 100 is this one. So what we'll do? We do 180 into 4 by 3, but whatever you get, that one you should divide by 100. Keep two zeros less or two decimal places more. This is what we have to do. So what we do? 3 ones are 360s are 60 into 4, 2400 by 100 is equal to what? 24 you will get. Either you can consider 4 by 3 or you can consider multiplying by 1 whole 1 by 3. In some cases, you take 1 full is 180 plus 1/3 is 60. It will become 240. That method also you can follow. Some numbers where we are able to divide easily by 3, you can consider 1/3 of that number and add to that number. That is 1 whole 1 by 3. This will give a lot easier, make it much more easier. Shall we try some more examples? Let's take some numbers. Maybe you can take 510 divided by 75. The easier one is multiply by 4 by 3. Correct? No? 510 into 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 17s are. That means 170 into 4 is 6800. But divide by 100 means you will write, sorry, 680. That means you will get 6.8. Correct? What we'll do? Divide by 3 means we'll get 170 into 4 means 680 you will get, divided by 100 means 6.8 you will get. You are going to think it in three steps. No, just three steps maximum. Let's take this one. Maybe 630 divided by 7.5. We'll rewrite this one as 6300 divided by 75. So into 4 by 3, this is 2100, into 4 is 8400, divided by 2 zeros, that is 84 is the answer. So shall we try some numbers? I think it's very easy, correct? They multiply by 3 by 4 into 100. Here divide by 4 by, sorry, multiply by 4 by 3 and divide by 100. The divide by 100 last step you should be able to remember. Will you people try one or two problems for this also? Let's take 3300 divided by 75. Try this. If it is a big number, first itself we can divide by 100 and then multiply by 4 by 3. That is much easier instead of adding all these things. Directly we will get 33 when you divide by 100. Then multiply by 4 by 3. Very easy. 11 fours are 44 is the answer. Yes, perfect. No, you get the right answer. Let's take some number like 12,000 divided by 750. 12,000 divided by 750. 12,000 divided by 7. First you cancel 110. Then it will become 1200 by 74. 5. Again we can do easily. First you divide by 100. 2 zeros. That is 4 fours are 16 is the answer. Correct? Yes, you're good. 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 fours are 16. See, always whether which one we'll do first, that is what we should be able to analyze. Whether we are dividing by 100 first, that will help us to eliminate zeros, the number will become small. Correct? No? And then multiply by 4 by 3. Correct? Let's take this number. Maybe you want to divide by 8.1 divided by 7.5. What we can do is rewrite this one as 81 by 75. Now it's very easy. Correct? Put the answer in the chat. Let's see. We will put it fast. Yes, that is good. I was expecting that you people may put 1.8. It is 1.08. See, divide by 3 is 27. 27 fours are. How fast you are able to do, that fast you will be able to. 27 fours are 108. So 1.08 is the answer. Correct? Let's take this one. 13500 divided by 75. Do this. 13500 divided by 75. First itself you divide by 100. It will make 135. In this case, instead of dividing by 3, it is easier to first multiply by 4 and then divide by 3. Multiply by 4 means double 270, double 540. 540 dividing by 3 is much easier. No, it's not 168. It is 180. Is it 180? You people had put it as 180. So observe here, divided by 100 we did, then multiply by 4 by 3 I said. 135 into 4 is how much? 270. And again 540. 540 by 3 is 180. Correct? It's very simple. Yes. So multiplying by 75, you are going to do by into 3 by 4 into 100. Sometimes we may have to multiply first by 100, then do by 3 by 4, or it is easier sometimes to divide by 4 and then 3 into 100. Yeah, it's 180. Yes. Then divided by 75 means what you can do? Into 4 by 3, divide by 100. Some cases it will be easier to divide by 100 first and then do by 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means what? First you divide by 3 and then multiply by 4. And if you keep on practicing this, it will be very easy and you will be able to do much faster. Hope you people got the in multiplying by 75 and dividing by 75. See, keep practicing. Multiply by 25, multiply by 50, multiply by 75. The same thing you can extend it to 125, 250, and all these numbers also. Yes. 4 by 300 also you can do. Yes. See, the slight alterations you can do according to that particular number. And based on that, in some cases, we'll be dividing by 100 fast. So two zeros elimination is much easier, correct? No? So keep practicing this, and then you will be become one of the best in the mental mathematics. And I want you to become the magical calculators. Definitely, will you be able to say मैथ्स में मजा है करेक्ट नो बहुत सारा मजा है हम we'll enjoy that maja and see you again Monday morning sharp at 7 a.m. with further more new tricks. Bye bye, take care till then, and please inform to your friends to subscribe and join them live so that they can also enjoy this session. Bye, take care.